Hello and welcome back to Airgun Bushcraft and Hunting. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm at one of my permissions. I'm in a different location from where I normally shoot. I'm up on the hay bales. I've seen a lot of pigeon flying past, so fingers crossed we're going to get some today. I'm going to be using the hw100kt. So I just like to thank my sponsors, Keen's Tackle and Guns. Cheers guys. I'm not going to be doing the video where I'm walking and picking the birds up. I'm just going to try and get a few shots pulled off, showing you the capabilities of the hw100, and let's try and get a little video put together for you guys. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and fingers crossed I'll bring you some decent shots. Yes. Well guys, I had a lovely productive day on the pigeons. The HW performed flawlessly. I'm really happy with the shots. So once again, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share, and also hit the thumbs up and the icon bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So I'm going to pack all these up now, get them home, prep them for the freezer, and maybe have one or two for tea. So until the next time guys, stay safe and thanks for watching Airgun Bushcraft and Hunting.